Okay, so on Master Computer Science today we're going to look at normalisation, which is a key element of databasing. Normalisation does three things. Essentially, normalisation is putting your data into the correct tables and connecting them in the correct way. And I'll be talking through first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form in the next three videos. The purpose of normalisation is to do three basic things. The most important and essentially the purpose of relational databasing is to eliminate data redundancy. Okay, so data redundancy is where you have the same information held in two different places. So if you imagine you've got a database of students, and the admin person puts in a record, and then someone phones up later and says, "Oh, you've got our phone number wrong," and maybe the head of year changes the phone number on the database. In a data store of some sort where there is data redundancy, that student's name, address, and phone number are held in more than one place, then when the head of year changes that phone number, it might not change on the main system. Okay, so you've got a problem. You've got data duplication. You've got data redundancy, where you could have incorrect data. You've got two problems with that. The data could be incorrect, and you're using twice as much storage space as you need to. Okay, so when you normalize something, and we'll come on to this in the next video, you make sure each piece of data is only held once. Right. The second bit, you can access data in separate tables. So we've already seen that in a database you have many different tables, and when you normalize something and you create the relationships between those tables, I can look for my student data table and put it together with my course information table, and I can use both that information in a form, a report, or a query. So I can bring data in from different sources. Finally, it allows for indexing and searching, so allowing you to run queries on the data, to allow you to take that data and put it into an alphabetical or alphanumeric system of some sort. If you've ever been on a website, which I'm sure you have, and then you do some form of searching, so if you're buying a car and you go on an auto trader type website, you can put in, I'm looking for this make, this model, this price range. I don't want to look this any further than this from my house for it. And you can index it, you can search it and get all those, and then you can do the filtering system and say, well, I want to see those in price order, or I want to see the closest to my house first, or however you want to do it. That is because it is a properly organized relational database. Okay.